हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। होप यूर ऑल डूइंग ग्रेट। आपकी प्रिपरेशंस अच्छी चल रही हैं होपफुली, एंड आई होप यूर ऑल मोटिवेटेड एंड यूर वर्किंग रियली रियली हार्ड। आज जो हम लेके आए हैं न्यूज़ वो है आई एम कोई कोड के बारे में। एंड आई एम कोई कोड इज ऑफरिंग न्यू कोर्सेज इन एआई, दैट इज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, इन ब्लॉकचेन एंड इन डिजाइन। तो आजकल इतनी सारी न्यूज़ हम देख रहे हैं, लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट बी स्कूल्स आर कमिंग अप विद न्यू कोर्सेज and different courses जो एक 1 year courses हैं, 2 year courses हैं, and it's such a good thing to know that colleges are going the extra mile and are covering areas that are lesser covered. बहुत कम colleges cover कर रहे हैं, but a lot of students might be interested in those. So I'm Koikode again is doing a very good job, and it's offering new courses in AI, blockchain and design. The 8-month program will also have various industry experts taking master classes to bring business context to the classroom. तो ये जो है ये एक 8-month program है, as we can see here, and it will have experts taking master classes to bring business context to the classroom. The lectures will be delivered online. However, candidates will also have to visit the campus as part of the immersion programs. The fee for each course will be rupees 2 lakhs. So as we can see, फीस बहुत कम है, 2 लाख है, बट द प्रोग्राम इज ऑल्सो ओनली 8 months लॉन्ग. ऑनलाइन होंगे क्लासेस, बट देयर विल बी अ शॉर्ट इमर्शन प्रोग्राम जो कि कैंपस में होगा. उसके लिए कैंडिडेट्स को विजिट करना पड़ेगा कैंपस. एंड लेट्स गेट इनटू द डिटेल्स ऑफ दिस न्यूज एंड सी व्हाट डज दिस कोर्स एक्चुअली ऑफर. So, the Indian Institute of Management COICODE is offering 3 executive programs: Advanced Management Certification in Transforming Customer Experience with AI and Design, Advanced Management Certification in Blockchain and AI for FinTech, and Advanced Management Certification in Services and Supply Chain Transformation. तो ये 3 courses हैं, 3 basically advanced management courses हैं, executive programs हैं. To offer these courses, the IIM has collaborated with Wiley NXT. The two have collectively designed the courses targeted at the professionals in the domain of technology, data, marketing, and supply chain. These programs will offer a joint certification from both along with executive alumni status to the participants and will begin in January 2021. So ये जो तीनों courses हैं, ये तीनों courses January 2021 में start होंगे. ये कोलैबोरेशन है आई एम कोई कोड का वाइली एनएक्सटी के साथ, एंड दे हैव कलेक्टिवली डिजाइन्ड द कोर्सेज टारगेटेड एट द प्रोफेशनल्स इन द डोमेन ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, डेटा, मार्केटिंग एंड सप्लाई चेन. So this is an interesting news, guys, because 3 new courses, 3 executive courses, 8 months long, and very different specializations. And these are basically focusing at professionals who are in the domain of technology, data, marketing, and supply chain. So a lot of you might be working and might be interested in these domains. So please do give it a thought, and you all can apply for it in for the next session, जो कि January 2021 में start होगा. The 8-month long program will also have various industry experts taking master classes to bring business context to the classroom. ये हम पढ़ चुके हैं. To be eligible for the courses, candidates need to have at least 2 years of work experience. Interested candidates can apply at wileynxt.com. To be selected for the course, candidates need to clear pre-assessment tests. The lectures will be delivered online. However, candidates will have to visit the campus as part of the immersion programs. The fee for each course will be rupees 2 lakh. Debashish Chatterjee, director IIM Kozhikode, said artificial intelligence and blockchain have the ability to revolutionize the banking sector and strengthen security. The current crisis of COVID-19, combined with rising security and privacy issues, has intensified the need to foster 21st century skills to meet the emerging challenges of post-COVID world. We are delighted to collaborate with Wiley NXT to launch this program to help fulfill our goal of preparing our future workforce for Industry 4.0. सो गाइज ये था बेसिकली जो भी आई एम कोई कोड कर रहा है इन द फील्ड ऑफ एआई, इन द फील्ड ऑफ टेक, जो भी तीनों कोर्सेज लेके आए हैं. एंड दीज आर ऑल अमेजिंग कोर्सेज. इफ एनी ऑफ यू हु हैज एटलीस्ट वर्क एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 2 years और वो इंटरेस्टेड है इसमें एंड दे डू नॉट वांट टू स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन एन एमबीए, and they're pretty happy with their domain, which is like tech and AI and data and analytics, तो आप ये भी कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. do give it a thought. इसके बारे में जो भी नई news आएगी, जो भी information आएगी, we'll definitely bring it to you. And we cover these kind of news because we want to see how many of you are interested in this, and if we could in any way help you in your preparation and your decision making, it would be a big thing for us. So guys, hope this was informative to you. Hope you'll all research more about this, and hopefully some of you might also apply for it. So I'll come back again with another news. But before that, please subscribe to Cat King and press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any information. And all you got to do is stay updated, stay motivated, work very, very hard, and I'm sure you'll get the college of your dreams. I'll see you again soon, guys. All the very best.